What's cracking, Fluent Crew? Hey, hold on a second. Let me put my shades on. Yes, sir. Yes. So, I am on my way home, and I got surprises waiting on me when I get to the crib. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting on this for a hot minute, and there's a story behind everything, which I will wait until once I actually get home. I can't wait. Like I've been, ever since I got the notification that it was delivered, I have been like super excited about getting home so I can throw these joints, make this video so I can show them off. So, dang it, I gotta stop doing that. Be responsible. But it's all good. It's all to the good. I'm out of here. Yes, sir. But I ain't really doing too much right now, except for driving home. I ain't really got too much to talk about, except for how excited I am. But I don't want to spoil the surprise until I actually get home to show it off. So, I will catch up with y'all when I get home. What's going on, Florida Crew? I'm so super excited about what's going on today. So, I have a couple packages to unbox. So, as you can see, I'm stupid excited. Flying through like Superman. I'm stupid excited. Let me go ahead. Let me switch these guys around. So you see, I got 2 boxes. 2 of them. Oh yeah, let me see. Which one do I want to open first? What? Let's go, man. I'm ready. Hold on a second. I don't know which one I want to open first, but let's go ahead and tear into these joints. Let me go. Hold on a second. Perfect. There's some scissors. Yeah. Let me go ahead and tear into these joints. As you can see, I'm stupid excited, boy. Let's go ahead and get into it. Yes. We're going crazy with this joint. Come on, hurry up. And there's a little bit of a story with both of these pieces, both of these little joints. So, okay, this is actually the order I wanted to open them in, so this is perfect. So, the first item we have is nothing too big, nothing too major, just a little something light. So, the first item we have is the JBL Go-To Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it's not very big or anything. It's like I said, it's a little something, literally a little something. So, nothing too much in this regard, but there's a story behind it though. A little backup story is that I was going to, well, wifey's birthday's in April, so she had actually made the suggestion, hey, I want a new phone. So I was like, okay, is there anything specific that you want about the phone? She was like, I just really want a headphone jack on my phone. So at the time we had iPhones, no headphone jack. So therefore, the only option was to go to Android. I have no problem with that. I love Android devices as well as iPhones. So, I mean, I'm not one of those discriminating type of people, one of those bandwagon people that's like, oh my God, you gotta have iPhone. Or on the other side of the thing, oh my God, Droid is the only way to go. So, you know what? I don't care. If it works and gives me all the stuff that I need, with the fact that I do so much, talk, text, email, all that good stuff. And so with that being said, I wasn't. I was like, okay, let's go ahead and get the new phones. Just so happened to be upgrade eligible anyway, so that worked out perfect. So we went ahead and got our Android phones, got that buy one get one free deal. So I bought mine, got hers free, all worked out. Ended up also getting a TV in the process, but you can check out this video right here, and that'll give you more information in regards to that. Uh, so also I had an Apple Watch at the time. Of course, Apple phone, Apple Watch makes sense. So since I'm no longer using my Apple phone, I actually sold it. So I also sold my Apple Watch as well. And then, all right, so at that particular point, I didn't need the Apple Watch line no more that I was occupying on my account. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and cancel it. I actually already had an extra line on my account that I was going to go ahead and get a replacement watch for Samsung. I was definitely going to go ahead and get that joint. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and get that. So I was like, you know what? Let me cancel this line and then use my other line to get the Samsung watch that I want. So I called up to my carrier, and they was like, well, you know what? If you want to cancel, we can definitely do that. But how about this instead? How about we give you a free watch to go with the Samsung phone? I was like, okay, really? So yeah, all right. So I went ahead and did that. This was back on April 25th. So going through all this time, waiting on this watch to come through, and they ended up ordering me a watch that was discontinued, which I was like, really? So in any sense, I was like, whatever. You know what? Took a couple months actually, because now it's June, and I was like, you know what? Forget it. I've been waiting on this watch forever. Y'all tripping. I actually wanted to cancel this line, so I need y'all to go ahead and cancel the line and credit me back. So they were trying to be a little tight about it, but I went ahead and finessed the $10 a month. My watch line is only $10 a month. They gave me this, which part of me feels like I haven't tested it out, so I don't know if it's worth $30 yet. But I'm gonna do a review on this as well, so we'll see about that. But let me actually take a look here. So here it goes. Here it goes. Empty box. Put that back in the box. And here goes my. Never mind. Alright. So, as you can see, it says JBL on that side. And the speaker side, it says JBL there too. So that's cool. It's got the little things on the top, like the volume up and down, fast forward and rewind, and the power. And it even has a place where you can charge it and hook it up to other things. Since it is a Bluetooth speaker, of course, it has to be charged from time to time. As I was saying before, it's got the little compartment right there. You just peel that back and you can plug it up. There's the charger port, and there's like if you need to hardwire it into something else. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, it's like super basic, nothing too special. But let me go ahead and charge this up. I ain't roll this up into a little ball. What in the world is all this? Yeah. Not trying to do too much. Not trying to break nothing either. Bright orange cable. What in the world? Oh, whatever. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and get that plugged in here. Let that start charging. Alright, there you go. Go ahead and look at the little paperwork here. That's pretty much all this is, paperwork. Alright, little how-to book. Let's get started. Type of stuff, you know. All that. Trash. Some stuff in Japanese. Don't know Japanese. Wish you did though. Like I said, just to go books and not pun intended. Instruction books and all that kind of other stuff like that. So that's that. So on to box number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this on up. So this particular item goes back to what I was originally talking about, how I was trying to get a new watch. So I got tired of running around that day. I don't really think they did on purpose. I ain't one of those people that's like, oh, y'all did that crap on purpose. Y'all want to make me wait and all this other kind of stuff. But I ended up was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and get this anyway. The Samsung Galaxy watch. Yes, sir. Made by Samsung. I got the big boy with the 46mm, and of course it's Bluetooth. All watches are. So it talks about all that good stuff that it can do. It's got the let's see here. It's got standalone connectivity, a long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking, and it's swim ready, water resistant, up to 50 meters, which is beast mode because I like to swim. Alright, and of course you're not going to get to see the other labels because that's my info. So alright, let's go ahead and open up the box. More cutting, just a little bit more cutting. There we go, and there we go. Alright, so here we go. Let's see. Man, is that pretty or not? What? So this will be the end of this video, and there is more to come, to be continued. Peace.